Go ahead.
Hi everybody, it's Kasey. Welcome to the Mather Campground at the Grand Canyon. My cameraman is Justin this morning, so it's going to be a little bit more vlog style, but I wanted to show you my travel makeup bag. I've been traveling for the last 2 weeks, and this has served me well, and I wanted to tell you what I brought. So the first thing is a chapstick, and very essential.
Tell them how we got it.
I got this one as a free sample from Nordstrom.
Along with 50 others.
I love getting free samples.
She's a genius.
I'm really good at it.
She can hack Nordstrom. It's fantastic.
So the first thing that I have is the Smashbox Photo Finish Under Eye Primer. There's people looking at us because who wears makeup camping? Me, because we're taking a lot of pictures. And this is a travel size that I got in a travel kit, and I always buy the travel kits because who's gonna use like a full highlighting powder before it expires unless you wear tons of makeup every day, like on a Nikki Tutorials level of highlighter. So I always buy travel size, and I also get an Ipsy, which is awesome for travel size and for trying new stuff, so I love that. And I did put the under eye primer all over my face. It's just a stickier primer, so who cares? Next, I brought my beauty blender, and it is dry, and let me find it. This is a sample container of foundation from Nordstrom that I got, and I just refilled it with my normal foundation, so it was easier to take around. Plus, this bag is pretty spacious. I got it at the Target dollar spot like a couple weeks ago, so you probably go get it if you see this when it's uploaded. It was like $3 or $5, and it's super good quality, and I love the moons on it. So, that's probably gross. Oh no!
Now it's even grosser.
Oh! Ignore that. So, I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Are you going?
Yep.
Okay, so I just put a little on the back of my hand, and then I actually take my finger and rub it in before the beauty blender. And I personally just do a really light coat of this because we're on the road. Nobody wants that. And also, we're in a really cold area at the moment. So it warms it up a little bit. Are we getting looked at?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Of course we are.
Of course we are. And then I take the beauty blender and I just go over the edges. And then I have the travel size shape tape, and I'm just gonna put it over this monster zit. That was a nice sound. Did you hear it? Let's ignore all these zits. Oh, except that. And then just tapping with my finger first. It is so cold.
It's breathing.
Okay. Next I have the travel size of the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Powder. It's not my favorite, but it is a travel size. And then I have this EcoTools travel container, and it is awesome. And I bring 4 essential brushes. So, powder brush, blush and contour brush, highlighting brush, and then a small blending brush. And that gets it done for me. So
that's cool.
Just powder all over. Not really too worried about it. Being messy or not. Also, it's windy, so the powder blows everywhere. They can suck it. I don't care. So next, this is my saving grace is this Z Palette Mini travel size. You can find them on Amazon. I got mine for Christmas, and it's like a 1 by 3 inch pan, And so I have a blush, a highlighter, and then I usually do red eyeshadow, so I have a deepening color here. But I also brought this eyeshadow palette, which I wouldn't normally bring, but since we're camping, it has a really good mirror. This is the Sophie X Revolution palette, which I actually do really like. And I brought this to Boston too because it has a ton of colors and a good mirror, and I was sharing a hotel room with a bunch of girls, so that was nice. So I have a travel size I got from Ipsy of the Take Home the Bras from the Balm. And what was that?
It's our mat. We're fine.
Okay. Just really quickly, bronze. This isn't supposed to be perfect. It's just supposed to be a little bit of you know, touching up, confidence adding. You're going to take a bunch of pictures on the road. I'll put in a couple of the cute pictures we've taken here. And I am using the same brush for bronzer and highlight, but I do bronzer first. Or bronzer and blush. Because I feel like it doesn't make a difference if you do bronzer first and then blush, but if you do blush first and then bronzer, it looks weird. So that's my tip. And just putting it on, I do my nose because I think it looks cute. Okay, and then I'm taking a highlighting brush, which you can also use as an all over lid brush, and I'm taking actually a gold sparkly eyeshadow that's from Pixie, and just highlighting my nose, cupid's bow, and then I actually take this same brush and I sweep over my whole eyelid, and then I'll take the crease brush, dip into the blush and the little red deepening color, and just go in the crease, and it looks like you put a little bit of extra something into it, but you saw it was like 30 seconds. So that's it for the face. And then the last three things I'm going to do are super simple. So I'm gonna do the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I have the color black, but it's actually a pretty dark brown. And I was blessed with some full bushy eyebrows. So if you don't have eyebrows, you might want to bring a pencil or something. But
yeah, flex on all those people.
no,
who
girls
don't
know
have
what I
eyebrows.
mean say when I say don't have eyebrows. It just means like really thin eyebrows. But I just come through to give them a little bit of color, especially because we did foundation, and I tend to get foundation on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take this Stila Huge Extreme Lash in the travel size. All this is travel size so far except for the NYX, and that one was pretty, the brow stuff was pretty small anyway, so whatever. And then I do both top and bottom, especially because I'm going to wear my glasses today, so it just adds a little extra something behind those frames. Oh. And then if you want, for a little extra, you can take the gold eyeshadow or the highlighting eyeshadow we used and just go in the center. And it just adds a little extra pop, especially because I'm wearing my glasses today. Like I said, I like to have a little pop. And then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Blonde, which is my favorite lip gloss ever. And I have the travel size also, but I'm going to buy the full size because I like it that much. And I'm just going to pop some gloss on. How long have we been recording?
6 minutes, 19 seconds.
Okay, well if I wasn't talking through it, this is my 5-minute on-the-go travel makeup tutorial. It's good for stuff like this where you just want a little bit of extra, but it was also good for when I was performing Fanwell Hall in Boston, so it's pretty versatile, very small, compact, quick, and I hope you liked it. Also, it's my first time filming for real in public, and it wasn't that bad, so goodbye guys, I hope you